Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 15 stuck on preparing update on iPhone and iPad. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 2. Turn on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Tip number 3. Turn off Find My iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple icon. Tap Find My. Tap Find My iPhone. Find My iPhone is turned off. Tip number 4. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Journal. Scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power or slider to turn off your device. And turn on back. Tip number 5. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal, scroll down, tap Reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 6. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Tip number 7. Check your iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal, tap iPhone storage. Check your iPhone storage. Tip number 8. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone series 8, 10, 11, 12. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.